very, very happy and proud to be one of the ambassadors now with Brian and Mia. And you know, volleyball has been a huge part of my life, and it's parang full circle having this opportunity to share the floor or be one of the ambassadors here in the Men's World Championship. Brian, how about?
Brian, gano'n lang kalaking bagay kasama nyo na si Alayza?
For me, syempre, pag volleyball kasi, syempre, may isip na agad talaga natin sila eh. Talagang malaking bagay yun na iambag sa Philippine volleyball. Kasi masasabi mo na isa sa nag-angat or nagpasikap ng volleyball sa Pinas. So, we are so proud na and happy na nandito siya. Kasi kailangan talaga siya ng one of the ambassadors.
Women's volleyball is already on the up.
Yes,
Do you think men's volleyball is already in the right direction then following yung growth ng women's volleyball?
Definitely. I think this tournament, this invitational is actually a testament also that we're a really big volleyball community here in the Philippines, and it's just so nice to cap it off also ng World Championship, diba? And based from the last the finals in the UAAP, from the Spikers Turf finals, then madami na
15,000.
wow.
Grabe.
Ganda.
Nakaka-proud.
Nakaka-proud, diba? So parang, it's just so nice na ganun yung track na tinatahak din ng men's volleyball. It's really slowly, gradually, but surely for men's volleyball and the volleyball community. Not just the indoor, but especially also the beach volleyball.
And Brian,